Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, you're very welcome, and my name is Oluchi. So in today's video, I'm going to be trying out some new products that I received, some PR products. So the first product I'll be trying out is this. This is the Nuban Beauty foundation, and it came in this beautiful packaging. Nuban Beauty is a Nigerian brand, and also this is what the foundations look like. So they have like a wide range of foundation shades. So you have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 foundation shades. So these foundations have been named after great women of the world. A shade named M. Obama, Michelle Obama, Mary Celeste, Abani Darego, M. Abudu, that's Mo Abudu, and a host of other ladies. So these foundations were named after inspiring and great women. So I'm going to try this D16 named SHEBA. So, and the best place to try your foundation is on your jaw. That's the best place to match your foundation. What do you guys think? Okay, I have that shade there. Maybe I should go try the darker shade and see what it looks like. This one is called B.FASSIE. So that's it right here. I'm thinking I'm in between both of them, so I'm going to mix both of them to get my correct shade. We're adding some of the darker shade in here, just a little, and I'll also add this one, the next one in there, and I'm going to mix both. My face is moisturized, so I'm now going to go in with this foundation, and then we'll see. And it doesn't have any scent to it, which is good. What do you guys think? Do you think it's too dark, or? Well, let me continue. I think I added a lot of the dark one, but it's fine. Like normally I'd rather my foundation is slightly darker so that I can then balance it out with when I highlight and contour. I always order their concealers because they're so creamy, they're just right. It's like I love the formulation of their concealer, so I know that this foundation won't fall my hands. I'm sure they must have done a lot of research, and this foundation is just going to be amazing. So I'm not in doubt at all. So the concealers I'll be using are these two concealers from Nuban Beauty, and it's in the shade 046 and 047. So one is clearly darker than the other one. I'm going in with a lighter shade in 46. The other one I used was 47. I'll go in with my Nuban Beauty blending sponge. This is one of my favorite blending sponges. I'll be taking this darker shade right here to contour my face. So I'm done with the contouring, and yeah, I just decided to check the website to see what the foundation says. So the foundation is set to give a natural skin finish and last all day. It's weightless with medium to full coverage. It has soft focus effect, so no flashbacks. That's good. So yeah, what else? It's suitable for all skin types. So yeah, I've just applied it, and yeah, it's so far so good. It seems okay to me. I'll be setting my face using the Fenty Beauty setting powder in the shade Nutmeg, and then I'll be contouring using the Zaron Face Definer Contour Kit. I'm going ahead with this Jumbo Pencil in Milk, and I'll be using this to prime my eyes. I'll be going into the Nuban Beauty eyeshadow palette. I'll be going into this shade right here and it's called Zaria. So I'll be taking this dark shade here, and it will serve as my transition color. Going into my Zaron eyeshadow trio, I'll be basically using the shades on my lid. Honestly guys, I was a bit confused. I didn't know what exactly I was going to do, what look to create, and I didn't want it to be all like yellow, so I had to reach for this palette. So I'm just applying this all over my eyelid. Just decided to pop yellow in the inner corner of my eye. Then in order to make the yellow pop really well, I'm applying a bit of primer to the inner corner. Then I go into my Nuban Beauty palette. Let me show you guys. So there, this, oopsie, that yellow shade right there, I just go in there and then I apply the yellow shade in the inner corner right there. I'll just go in with my mascara and then pop some onto my lashes. So I'm going in with the gel liner, Inglot gel liner, and then I'll line really close to the false lashes. Going into the Zikel Cosmetics face pack. Is it face? It's called face it. It's a collection of face powders. I'll go into this to the two darker shades, and then I'll use this to blend apply on my face, and then blend all the things that I applied, blend it into my skin so that I have a flawless finish. And then this brush right here is also from Nuban Beauty. I've had this for I think 3 years now and it's still on point. For my cheeks, I'll be using this eyeshadow right here, Emilia Red. It's a matte eyeshadow, but I'll be using it as my blusher. So for my waterline, I've decided to go in with this Zaron Cosmetics gel liner, and it's in the shade Jean. So I'll be using this to line my waterline. I've decided to spice things up just a little bit. Then I'm going in with my pigment primer, and I'll just apply this directly underneath my waterline, my lash line. And then I'll pop on some glitter pigment, and this glitter pigment is from Chic. Doing this, you have to be very careful so that these pigments don't get into your eyes because they can be really uncomfortable. I'm going to go in with the mascara once again, and then I'm going to use this on the bottom of my lashes like so, just to make the lashes more defined. So to highlight my face, I'll be going in with this Maria Honey Gold in 603. It's from ByMe, the brand ByMe. So I'll just pop this on. Yeah, and someone asked me if this ByMe brand is owned by me. I'm like, no, the name of the company is ByMe, my brand. It's not mine, that's just the name of the company. So hopefully one of these days I'll come up with my own brand. For my lips, I'll be lining it with this nearly non-existent lip liner. It's in the shade, it's a MAC lip liner in, I think this is Vino. Like I've practically run out of it. So I'll just use this to outline my lips. I wanted to do like a basic nude lips, but I'm like, you know what, let me do something popping. Hope it turns out nice. So I just picked this matte lip stain. It's a liquid lipstick from Zaron Cosmetics, and I'm not entitled. I don't think I've ever used this, but let me just try it. I don't know. Is it too pink? I think it's a bit too pink. I'm going to have to apply some of this one. This is called Rockstar. It's still from Zaron Cosmetics. It's slightly darker. So I'm just going to apply this over my lips like so. So here's the final look, guys. What you guys think? I'm totally loving this look. My sisters will be very, very proud of me. They'll be like, Oluchi, finally, you're not listening to us. Anyway, so coming to the foundation. Honestly, the foundation is really a good one. Although I would have to wait till the end of the day to really tell. But I mean, it covered me well. I love the formulation. It's so good. It's not matte, it's not oily, so it's just in between. And then it feels like skin, like it's didn't feel heavy when I applied it, and it doesn't feel heavy. I can't wait to use it more often. Yes, anyway, that has to be it for this video. Please, if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you know you enjoyed this video, and then please let me know the sort of videos you'd like to see on my channel. And yes, that has to be it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in my next one. Take care. Bye.